Hello, my beautiful blossoms. It's Lily here from Inspirational Flower, your sanctuary for wisdom, love, and the enchanting world of nature. Before we dive into today's story, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Let's grow together and allow the seeds of inspiration, love, and friendship to blossom into a more mindful and connected existence. Today, we're going to explore the world of Aster affection, a tale of infatuations and flower-filled declarations. Picture this, a quaint little town, nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling river, where the air is always filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers. Here we meet our protagonist, a young woman named Ivy, who has a unique gift. She can communicate with flowers, understanding their language, their emotions, and their wisdom. Ivy was deeply in love with a young man named Rowan, who was as handsome as he was kind, but she was too shy to express her feelings. So, she turned to her floral friends for help. The asters, with their vibrant colors and star-shaped petals, were more than willing to assist. They whispered to Ivy, "We symbolize love and wisdom. Let us be your messengers." With a heart full of hope, Ivy collected the most beautiful asters from her garden. She arranged them into a stunning bouquet, each petal radiating her affection for Rowan. She left the bouquet at his doorstep, a silent declaration of her love. The next day, Ivy saw Rowan holding the bouquet of asters. His eyes were sparkling with joy, and he had a smile that could outshine the sun. He approached Ivy and said, "I've always loved asters. They remind me of someone I've been infatuated with for a long time." Ivy's heart fluttered as Rowan confessed his feelings for her, the asters in his hand symbolizing their shared affection. And so, Ivy and Rowan's love story began, marked by the vibrant asters and their silent declarations of love. Their tale reminds us that sometimes words aren't necessary to express our feelings. Sometimes, all we need is the language of flowers, the whispers of nature, and the courage to listen to our hearts. That's it for today's story, my beautiful blossoms. I hope Ivy and Rowan's tale of Aster affection has inspired you to express your feelings, to listen to nature's wisdom, and to find joy in life's simple pleasures. Remember, every petal tells a story, and every bloom inspires. Before I go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Let's continue to grow together, nurturing our friendships and celebrating love. Until next time, keep blooming.